Hey you guys, Eliza here from ElizaCabrera.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to put on press-on nails, specifically this set right here. So quick disclaimer, let me be transparent with you guys. As I was recording this video, the last part got cut off. So unfortunately, I was not able to get the part of where I glue the nail onto my nail. I know, I was so pissed. However, I do show you everything else that you need to do, which is very important in regards to prepping your nails, to put on the nails so it could last a long time. I was trying to take them off to show you, but these nails are on tight. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. If not, don't worry, I will absolutely be uploading more videos on different designs and how to put them on, and I'm gonna make sure to catch that part. So see you inside.
Okay guys, so let's go ahead and check out this set that I got from beautybyjules.com. This is actually a custom set that she made for me. Something that's very important to realize with your press-on nails is to get your nails measured, to make sure that if you're ordering from someone, they send you the correct size, guys. Super important. I actually have a video on how to measure your nails, so you guys can definitely go check that out after you finish watching this video. This design was actually one that I got from Pinterest.com, and she was able to make it for me, right? It's super cute, and these are made for my specific nail size, which what I was just mentioning, very important to make sure that the nails actually are made for your hand, because that makes a huge difference when it comes to your nails actually lasting, right? So she gives you everything that you need, which is super awesome, right? So my nails are actually a little bit long, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut them. I recommend you guys do the same. Cut them, file them, all that good stuff. So I filed them and I cut them. Now the next part is getting your nail buffer. So her set brings a nail buffer, which is pretty awesome. If not, if you don't have a nail buffer, I recommend you get one. This is just like when you go get an acrylic set, right? And they do that, they put the little machine on your nail. So that's exactly what we're doing here, guys. You want to go ahead and buff all your nails. So as you can see, I finished buffing my nails. The next step is you want to take the alcohol wipe. She also includes these, which is pretty great. You're going to go ahead and take that, and you want to use this to wipe down your nails, clean off any of the white part that you have from buffing your nails, and really go ahead and make it smooth, right? This part is super important. I'm going to make sure my nail is nice and smooth, and do this to all your nails, guys. So now your nails are nice and smooth, and it's time for the last part before we put on the nails, guys. You want to go ahead and grab this little stick right here. This is great. You're going to push down any of your cuticles and really get that nail bed of yours. Give it a little bit of space so that you can get that nail nicely in there and it can look as natural as possible. Now, what I really like about the stick that Beauty by Jules gives you is that it's long. I wear a lot of press-on nails, and usually they give you those little sticks. This one is great to hold, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this to all my nails right before we actually put on the nails. All right, so our nails are all prepped and ready to go. So next, you want to make sure you grab your nails, of course, and put them out in the same way that you have to put them on, right? So like that, you have the nails already out, and then you have them ready to go. So make sure you have them in the correct order. of which one goes next, so you don't put one on by mistake. So this is the nail that she gives you. KDS is actually one of the top brands when it comes to the glue. It's really good. You would just cut off the tip. Me personally, I use this brush on nail because it makes my life so much easier, guys. As you can see, it's a nice little brush, so I put it on as if I'm painting my nails. I love it. I'm gonna drop the link for y'all so that you guys can grab that one if you like. However, it does come with this, and most nails bring it, so you don't have to worry about that. This is just my personal preference because I love press-on nails, guys. So right here, I'm taking them out and I'm putting them out in the correct order. Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. If you watched the beginning of the video, I did make the disclaimer that unfortunately, very sadly, the last part of me actually gluing the nail got cut off, guys, right? Stuff happens. But I do want to let you know that this is what it looks like, right? As you can see, the nails are on. They look really nice. I will be making more videos, so please just be on the lookout for that one. I do want to quickly explain how is it that you put it on, right? So this is the glue, which I did show you guys. It did come with this glue right here. And when putting it on, basically what you want to do is you're going to put the glue on your actual finger, right? I mentioned that I basically used that one right instead. So what I did was I'm taking the glue and I'm going to put it on my finger and brush it like if it was a nail polish. And then I put it on the actual nail and then I just hold it on there for about 5 seconds. And you do that for every single nail, guys, okay? So I will be doing another video, and another thing I want to let you know is I'm using this oil right here. This is Glory by Curl Bible. And you can honestly use any oil. I seen another girl do this, and I think this is amazing so that you can really get that look as if you went to go get your nails done. So what you would do is put this on all your fingernails, just a little drop. And again, you can use any oil, guys. This is the oil that I have, so that's why I'm using it. And then you're going to put that on all your nails. Do it on both hands, just like if you went to go get your nails done, right? You're going to do that for every nail. Go ahead and rub them all, guys, and put on some lotion, right? You want to make sure your hands are looking good, give you that nice look. Put on lotion, go ahead and rub, and we are all done. And my nails are here to stay, baby. Don't they look so good? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.